Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a solar oxygen pump. First, gather all necessary components before starting assembly. This project is perfect for improving water quality in small ponds or aquariums using sustainable energy. We will cover selecting the right parts, connecting them correctly, and ensuring your pump operates efficiently. Let's get started on building your very own solar-powered aeration system. To begin, you'll need a solar panel, ideally between 5 and 10 watts, to provide sufficient power. Next, select a 12-volt DC air pump, commonly found for aquariums. Don't forget the air tubing and an air stone, which creates the bubbles. You'll also need basic electrical connectors and wire. For consistent aeration, even without direct sunlight, a small rechargeable battery and charge controller are excellent additions. Start by connecting the positive and negative wires from your solar panel directly to the corresponding terminals on your DC air pump. If using a battery, connect the panel to a charge controller, then the battery, and finally the pump. Next, firmly attach one end of the air tubing to the air pump's outlet nozzle. Finally, connect the air stone to the other end of the tubing. Double-check all connections for security and proper insulation. Once assembled, place your solar panel in an area receiving maximum direct sunlight. Submerge the air stone completely in the water where aeration is needed. The pump should start working as soon as the panel receives enough light. For best results, regularly clean the air stone to prevent clogging and ensure efficient bubble production. Periodically inspect all electrical connections and tubing for wear or damage to keep your system running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.